Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Kevin sent us his brand new Road Glide 2021 all the way from Illinois. He had the bike shipped for an NVS Audio Stage 3. We had the bike a week and a half. Wired it up, installed 2 Sound Digital evox 800.4s. We did the DB Drive Moto 6 CDs in the fairing, Hki Mini DSP, NVS Audio T-harness. We flashed the radio, activated CarPlay. Hertz 200Ls, 8-inch mid-bass drivers in the bags facing the rear wheel. Hertz 690 Neos in the lids in the cutting kit. Bike sounds amazing. Tuned it, flashed it, RCA tuned it. Bike sounds great. All the wiring's meticulous. Quick disconnects on the bags. So thank you for trusting us. Thank you for shipping the bike all the way over here. So this is what we did to the bike. Check it out. So we've been talking back and forth through email. Client decided to ship us the bike, wanted to make sure it was done right the first time, so he chose us. We appreciate that. It's getting an NVS Audio Stage 3. Check it out. Obviously, we're keeping the factory GTS head unit, flashing it, activating CarPlay. T-harness off the factory head unit. We have it ran, Stinger oxygen-free copper. Everything neatly tucked down the backbone. Fuse holder is going to be on the brake side as usual, right next to the ABS pump. And the bags are in the back being cut. $1,900 miles on her.
For life, tras cartel, no los una, pagando con la bebecita.
Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. She's on her way home back to Illinois. She's tuned, she's cleaned up, she's ready to go. She looks great, she sounds great. Thank you for trusting us. Shipping company just left. They picked up the bike. It's on its way back home. He should have it by this weekend. I hope you enjoy the bike as much as we enjoyed building for you. Thank you.